Hello and welcome to the Christmas edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. Jamaica's film industry proved to be resilient during the 2020 COVID-19 pandemic thanks to top entertainers like Coffee and Shaggy, along with sprint icon Usain Bolt. The film industry closed out the year with over $160 million. According to a release, this expenditure came from several international high-profile productions that have taken place in the past few months with Shaggy, Coffee, Usain Bolt, international acts Her and Maluma, and the well-loved and highly worn shoe brand Clarks. In a release, Film Commissioner Jampo Rennie Robinson noted that Jamaica saw 31 productions between April and November, adding that while high activity has naturally declined, Jamaica is still receiving attention as a viable filming destination, especially since the establishment of the island's Safe to Return set guidelines, which have been key in boosting Jamaica's image globally as a filming destination during this year's pandemic. Jampro also launched initiatives, the Caribbean Corporation Business Model for Animation Projects, and the Kingston Creative Best Pitch Forward. They have met with BBC, Cartoon Network, Hulu, Netflix, and Tyler Perry Studios, among others, to discuss the production or placement of Jamaican content come 2021. Now, this Boxing Day, it's a holiday rave as the fame frequency extends to 4 hours, much to the delight of Jamaicans who are inside for the holiday. The event will start early at 8 o'clock and features Fame FM DJs Narity and King Taj, along with DJs from Hits 92, Tropical, and Xavier, and party with host Jenny. Fame Frequency Holiday Rave, early settings 8 o'clock on RETV, One Spot Media, Fame and Hits FM frequencies, and on our social media platforms. That's it for E-Prime on Christmas Day. I am Deidre, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.